This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sports suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, huge 22-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Levittown Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 3195 Hempstead Turnpike in Levittown.